on the Bionema stand and with an old friend of mine, Minshad Ansari, and since we spoke last, bigger stand, more products.
Yes.
So you've obviously been very, very busy.
Yes, all the time. And this time we are bringing RootVita, which is one of our premier product for turf industry. It's actually a combination of several goodies. So we have a biofertilizer, you have a nutrient, probiotic and vitamins, unlike the product in the market. So it has a added value to the greenkeepers, sports person, those are using these products, and they can get nitrogen fixing, phosphorus solubilizing, potash mobilization, suppressing disease and other as a part of stress management, silica solubilizing, micronutrient, enhance soil health and promote root growth. You know that if the root is healthy, the plant is healthy.
The foundations of everything.
Exactly.
And the fact that it's an all-in-one must be very attractive to the end user because it takes away some of the complication of making their mixes right.
Well, that's we have been busy for last 10 years to bring some products which actually have a multiple components. So it can add value to the customer rather than they go buy one product, then second, then third and fourth. So it's both way cost effective and more productive for the turf management.
And is this a product that's available as of now? Is it something that's out and about?
Yes, so the product is already available there and it's already on sale. So anybody wants to try, they're most welcome. Send an email to us and we basically will provide them a right contact directly from us or from our appointed distributor.
And getting the message across is the big thing. It's all very well producing the product, but selling it and marketing it is the big thing.
Yes, I mean, Bionema is very much a technology innovator. So we have been for more than 10, 15 years, and my whole life, 25 years in this. So people know me more about the product. So I think the credibility voice is going, and we are pushing hard to bring a product in the market. We are also expanding to in a country like Canada, US, Australia. Those are much better in terms of regulation. Still, we have a very tough regulation in the UK, and EU is one of the very difficult one to penetrate in the market.
And you're operating in an industry, it's a huge industry with some very, very large companies within it. So you're very much as a David and Goliath situation.
I think you are hitting very nail in the coffin actually. So industry is today 14.6 billion USD, and which is going to double in next 5 years. So will be 28 billion we are looking. Now the sector-wise, in biological agriculture, which we call, biocontrol is the one for pest management, biostimulants for plant enhancement, and biofertilizer for crop nutrition. So these three segments within the biological agriculture is moving from 8.9% CAGR to the 16%. So it's 5 times faster than the agrochemicals.
Wow.
Yeah. So the industry, I think multinationals are basically going to come anyway because of the EU reduction in fertilizer, and then EU wants to cut down 50% chemical pesticide by 2050. So all these are very much favoring in biological sector. So whether they like or not basically, but this is a market demand is actually that we are looking for more sustainable food production, sustainable turf management. I mean, it's wonderful to have walking in a turf, but what a wonderful, walking and touching the balls, which doesn't have a lot of, the product which is undesirable.
No.
So the chemicals are basically is there, but biologicals are coming and filling the gaps and going to be, leading role in next 10 years.
Now we're going to come on to that point, that 10 years down the line, do you see the marketplace completely different to what it is at the moment?
I think, as I mentioned, that market is going to double. So we are going to see the 28 billion market is by 2028, and you're talking about 10 years. So by 2032, I think we'll be looking for somewhere close to 50 billion market, which will be very close to the chemical pesticide.
And just one small fraction of that is a decent size of the market.
It is. So we are talking about biocontrol. So the biocontrol is about 60% of the total market. Biostimulants 20%, biofertilizer 20%. Those markets are growing as well.
And as a company that's relatively new, you've got your foundations built now, so you've been in a very fine position to take advantage of all the hard work you've already put in, whether it be research or marketing. You were there to take advantage of it.
Absolutely. I have opened the World Bioproduction Forum to connect academia and industry so that they can innovate what industries today needs in novel products and formulations. That's what we need, and I'm always very much vocal about that. We don't need a number of products in the market. We need a better products, better formulation, and delivery system, so the end user become more satisfied with that product. If at the end of the day, if end users are not satisfied, then product has no value at all.
That's the measure, isn't it? And I know from all the hard work you've done, you'll be well placed to take advantage of that. So lovely to speak to you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much for your time, and we'll speak again, I'm sure.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.